Sometimes, the miracle is not immediate rescue, but sustained faithfulness through waiting. So wait. Waiting seasons are difficult. Delays can be painful. Unanswered questions can be discouraging. But waiting is not wasted when God is involved. So, what shall we do? Keep trusting. Keep praying. Keep obeying. Keep standing firm because sometimes waiting is necessary before God reveals His greater purpose. Merong purpose si Lord at hindi pa tapos si Lord sa'yo. Habang may buhay, may purpose